I'm going to see an image of Mars that no one has ever seen before.
Just got so close, but we just couldn't do the science.
Oh, it's just incredible to see that the Mars, you know, is really there.
Probably it's the most exciting moments of the life when you receive signal from the planet. The greatest disappointment is when it stopped transmitting and you could not do anything else.
And there's the first piece of information coming in.
Well, there are rocks. There are rocks, yes.
We're there to understand Mars's climate and how clear evidence of climate change on that planet relates to climate change that occurs on our own.
We do not have a signal from Beagle 2.
We believe at this place on Mars, for some period in time, this is the kind of place that would have been suitable for life.
Standing by for touchdown. Touchdown confirmed. We're safe on Mars.